Huh.
Huh.
Nice try.
I'm not even acknowledging you. By not acknowledging you, yes, it acknowledged you.
What you got there? I already had a wooden spoon for you over there.
Ah, see, that's a bunch of crap.
Oh, what? Is that what you went for?
Yes!
It counts. Oil and...
Look, welcome to my show. Probably not gonna like this show.
I don't
lame.
like this show.
It's pretty bland, pretty vanilla. I don't know, but hey guys, welcome to CJ's first cooking show. It's a nice, not deathly hot day today in Florida.
Cool.
Fall is happening, so today I thought I would make a fun fall kind of festive, if you might could use it at a school party or Halloween perhaps. But before I show you what we're gonna do, be sure to like, subscribe. Also down below, you'll see a link to some of our t-shirts, our swag. And be sure you guys check that out. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a
bacon popcorn
with rum salted caramel. That's what I was gonna say.
Okay. Welcome to the show.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first cooking show.
Now today, I'm going to take a page out of your book, Nate.
What?
Yep.
What in tarnation?
I know. It goes against everything that I want to do, but I'm gonna do it. Because a little... What? A little while back, you made this salted caramel dessert with the bananas and the bacon and the what's
bacon fried bananas? Come on.
It was awesome.
Thank you.
And the salted caramel was awesome.
Wait, are you just genuinely complimenting me?
No.
Half genuine?
No.
You're breaking my heart.
So right behind me, we're cooking on our 36-inch Pro Blackstone Griddle.
She's a beaut, ain't she?
First things first, we've got our pan over here that has been preheating on high. Brown sugar is going right in. And then...
The Kraken! Release the Kraken!
Release the Kraken!
Any rum would work. I feel like a darker rum or a spiced rum is probably where it's at.
Do you think that's enough or more?
I would go a touch more.
Okay.
Essentially what you're looking for, bud, is to liquefy the sugar to let it caramelize evenly. If it were me, I would use 2 wooden spoons to stir it. That's what I would do. There's 1 and 2. See?
And then now we're done. We're not going to touch that for a very long time. You'll have the urge
to stir,
but do not stir.
Do not. You feel the need for speed.
The need for speed.
Refeel the need.
Or you could kick the tires and light the fires.
Kick the tires and light the fires, Big Daddy.
You could. Did you? Not yet. Wait, you kicked the tire and lit the fire.
Rumpelstiltskin's a good man.
Rumpelstiltskin's a good man.
Oh geez, this bacon is
right?
Not wanting to work with me. But thick cut is the way to go. We're gonna cook a hefty amount of bacon, not because we need a ton of bacon per se, but we need to render out said bacon fat because that is what that is what we're gonna be popping our popcorn in.
Hey, can we gander at your bubbles?
Sure.
So what you're looking for is big fat bubbles. Right now you can see those bubbles are nice and tiny. They form and pop relatively quickly. We want that sugar to get to the caramel stage. In the process, some of that liquid will evaporate, creating caramel.
So, I think we need a minute or 2.
Okay.
And in that minute or 2, I might flip the bacon, probably. Okay, so we're gonna do some intermediate, middle
bacon sitting.
Bacon sitting. We're gonna
bacon sitting.
Bacon sit here. At this point,
getting there.
All of these are gonna be good to go for just another moment. I crank that up. But the important thing is to shift over here.
Look at those
to these
gorgeous bubbles.
So we've obviously got lots of little ones, but those big ones that are showing up right there in the center, that is what we are looking for.
That's showing that our sugar has reached the caramel stage.
It's like you stole the words right out of my mouth.
I did.
Yep, you totally did.
Yeah.
So what we've got here, folks, is some heavy whipping cream.
La crème.
La crème.
La crème.
I'm gonna let Nate tell me how much.
Keep going, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Now get your spoons.
Okay.
So now we didn't touch it.
Spoons.
Time to touch it. Wooden spoonulas. Now you can do a good, decent mixing. You can
Maybe I should
touch more cream.
Okay. Give it get it a little more.
Yeah. Let's turn the heat off as well.
Okay. I'm allowing you to backseat cook
because
thank you.
I appreciate that.
I'm giving you my permission.
Keep going. That's good.
Because this is actually the first time I've made this.
It's looking kosher. See, now's where you do want to stir. If you stir too soon, you will break down the individual sugar particles.
Particle man, particle
super,
man.
Super
does
nerdy.
whatever a particle can.
What's he like? It's not important.
Particle man.
You know, we
is
can
he a dot
mount
or
some
is he a
butter right
speck?
now, too.
When he's
I'm gonna go
underwater,
over here. I'm
does
gonna
he
walk
get
over
wet?
here.
Or does the
Some
water get him
unsalted butter,
instead?
because we want to
Nobody
control
knows.
how much
Particle
butter we have.
man.
I'm just gonna do this with one hand because I don't even know what
Well,
you're
I needed to
doing.
check on my
Dude,
bacon
you
real
need
quick.
to pull this off is what's happening.
Well,
Here, squeeze
okay,
some of this out.
No, I'm just gonna get.
Like a tablespoon or two.
Okay, I'm gonna do.
That looks
do
good.
about 2 tablespoons.
And
right
stir it
there.
in as quick as you can.
Right.
We want to, it's
Where
not
did
really an
my-
emulsification, but we want that butter to mix in and stay nice and
So the
gorge.
term might be used mounting, right?
Mounting.
I'm moving bacon.
Dude, look at you.
I'm doing
Look,
butter.
dude. Look at you. Look at
us. Look at us.
Hey, look at us.
Look at us.
Huh?
Who would have thought?
Not me.
So now what we want to do is let this start to cool, and it will thicken as it cools, which will coat your popcorn perfectly.
Which is exactly what I wanted to happen. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pull off my bacon because I want that to cool properly. Let's ring it and bring it real quick.
ring that, ring that,
Ringing
ring.
it. We're gonna be back in a couple minutes. Bacon's gonna cool. Caramel's gonna cool. Everything's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
We're cool, super cool.
And it is time to pop some corn.
Let's pop that corn.
Let's pop it.
That'd be bussin'.
They'd be bussin'? Is that what they?
I don't know. I'm
Is
not.
that what they say? I would know because I live in a van down by the river.
And I live in a van down by the river.
Okay.
We're gonna use our bacon fat, no other oils. We're gonna be using bacon fat to heat up our popcorn. Let's get this inside of some bacon fat and
So just pop just the corn right on top in the fat.
just like that. I think that's probably gonna be
Wow, it's
more
gonna be
than
a lot
enough.
of popcorn. Dude, you better hurry up and get that,
That
dome. Okay,
All right,
and now we'll just watch these guys.
just hang out there. No, we're gonna cut up our bacon. You
You're gonna start
know,
to hear it.
you know, we're gonna hear the bacon start.
No. I'm gonna stay here and watch your popcorn for you, guy.
Yeah, thank you. Forgot my lucky seeds.
Oh,
I got my lucky seeds.
We're good.
Okay,
Come back over
okay,
here.
all
Come
right.
back over here. Let's get this.
wow, there goes another. Wow! They're flying everywhere.
HGS coming through. Just a
They're
second.
trying to escape. I see them.
I know. All right, we're chopping up our bacon here pretty quick.
Dude, they're
But we don't want to check
they're
too
multiplying. They're like gremlins. Don't get them wet.
Soon. Don't feed them after midnight.
Start spreading the news.
All right. Oh
We
man.
should have thickened up nicely.
Watch, 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 watch.
Oh, beauty.
Oh
Yeah,
my
give that
gosh.
a little stir.
Yep. Now you don't want it to be too thick, a little loose, because as we douse our popcorn in
Jeez,
this.
look at your griddle.
I know, bro. I might have overdone it on the
Maybe
kernels.
turn the heat off.
Maybe shut your
Whoa.
mouth.
They just keep popping.
Okay, I think we're done.
Nope, I still hear it.
No, I
Whoa.
know, but we don't want to burn the residual popcorn.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Good dodge, freaking Neo over here.
Butt loving.
Funky butt loving. Did he say funky butt loving?
No, I'm definitely getting it back. I'm gonna butter it.
Okay, you don't have your safety on anymore.
Lightweight.
Whoa.
Lightweight.
Jeez, jeez, whoa, whoa, jeez, whoa!
I'm gonna take another throw. Can
Another
I
throw?
throw to you?
Are you complimenting me again? This is unheard of.
No, I'm not complimenting
This is
you.
like, it's like a dream.
Yeah, it is a dream.
Ethan, you hear this?
It is a dream.
Hey CJ, did you know that 3 members of the band Dream Theater, John Petrucci, John Mayung, and Mike Portnoy, all of their wives were in an all-female band called Mean Streak together before they actually got married to the members from Dream Theater. They also toured with them.
Were they any good?
They suck.
I am using your bacon salt. You did bacon salt a few weeks ago and it was awesome. So I acquired some and
Thanks, buddy.
no, thank you, Nate.
You're welcome.
The world owes you a debt of gratitude.
No, just you.
Dude, bacon salt time. Here we go. Let's give this a nice healthy seasoning because nobody wants bland. Whoa.
Jeez. Dude, this is like
Bland
an active.
popcorn. Active volcano.
I think it made a lot more than you thought.
Obviously.
There's enough on the ground to eat.
Shut up. I used to work at a theater. I'm a pro. Don't worry. Okay. Here we go. All right. We're not gonna do all the caramel. We wanna do this in stages. Actually, watch this. I'm gonna set that there so that we can utilize some drizz at the end. And now, let's go in with some of our bacon.
Chopped bacon, not bacon bits.
Some of our bacon bits.
Gosh.
Right here, right there. And
Rick from the wheel.
let's start to toss.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna plate some of this up, bro.
I like it. I love it.
I want some more of it. Here we go. All right, we're gonna just go for all of it, man. Look at that, a perfect amount.
Yeah, you made a perfect...
In perfect cursive.
In perfect cursive. Any more brain busters?
Here we go. All right, let's see if I can't.
A caramel. I mean, a touch of rum. Grab your whisk and try to re-emulsify.
You're just making words up as we go.
Stir it real good.
Oh yeah, and see,
Is that where you wanna be?
It's still thick too.
Yep.
It's not total water. All right, come on over here, boys.
I'm
Let's
here.
have a look-see.
Nice touch,
Okay, bacon. Here we go. Bacon
bacon.
bits.
More bacon.
Right over the top here.
Dude, this is glorious.
Uh-huh.
Magical.
Salted caramel bacon popcorn.
To the moon, Alice.
To the moon, Alice!
Guys, this is a really fun one. Something cool to do with the kids. You could maybe make a little mess for them, of course. Here we go. We're gonna give it a try. You can go for it.
Get in there, bud. The sweet and the salty.
Savory? No, man. This is delicious. It's easy. It's savory. It's sweet. It's fun. It's fallish. That being said, we are going to transition into my next favorite part of the show,
You know.
which is CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
This is the part of the show where we invite you, the viewers, into our home. We open our door and lovingly let you in.
Yeah, it's where all your dreams come true.
All of your wildest dreams will come true.
This is, truthfully, the best. You, the viewers, you make comments. I screenshot them, and then we talk about them.
Yeah, you write them.
We read them, and sometimes I cry.
Deal with it.
Deal with it. There we go. Starting in no particular order from the top, this comes from Kai B. Ball. Kai B. Ball. It's on Instagram. What's up, dude? Stay away from the cheap bourbon, because you know, life is a fragile thing here. 1 minute you're chewing on a burger, the next thing you're dead meat. LOL.
Cheers.
Get better.
Nice.
All right, that was very clever
nice.
in reference to the delicious old Hansford bourbon. All right, let's get down to it, can we? A.H. Carpenter, not sure what you were thinking when you said this, but maybe it was nice, maybe it's not. This is an abomination, and I never comment on stuff like this.
Abomination.
Dude, how many times does he have to do that in one
Because
scene?
One side, then the other side.
Bring it and bring it, because that's funny, Mr. Carpenter. This next one comes from Dave Street,
Hey, Dave.
or ST. It's like abbreviated.
Oh, Dave.
I'm not sure.
It's Davest.
Davest? Davest, what's up?
Hey, Davest.
Good to have you here on the show. Davest says the only problem with the quick cook is less ringing and bringing.
Oh, true.
Ring on, my friends. This is true.
True.
Sometimes you just gotta cruise through this, man. Just gotta feel the
Davest,
flow.
I
Gotta
agree
do
with
the
you.
bull dance.
Doing the bull dance, feeling the flow.
Ring it.
Time to get elevated, CJ.
Let us ring it and bring it. All right, this comes from our huge,
We got a
the
huge?
huge, the usual suspects, Flagator fan.
Oh, I love Flagator.
Says, yeah, if Nate could never say, quote, post drizz again, that would be great. Okay. And don't forget to put a cover sheet on your TPS report.
Okay. I see you. I see you.
And if you could go ahead and come in on Saturday, that'd be great. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and
Okay.
yeah, we're gonna ring it. Okay.
Show my whole face.
All right. Brendan Dyer says, annoying.
Is that it?
Period. Annoying.
Yeah, I agree.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Ring it.
Wait, the bell's the most annoying?
And here we go. We are wrapping this one up. This comes from Gwen Seaton,
Safani.
or Cetone. She says, this one, not so much. not so much. This one, not so much. What do you think she was really trying to say?
Wait, is there a comma?
This one, not
Comma?
so much.
That's it.
That is it.
See?
Ring it and bring it. There we go. Wrapping her up. There it is. It's delicious, guys. You will not miss the mark on this one. For this recipe and a ton of others, go to blackstoneproducts.com. Be sure to watch Nate's show, Todd's show, Betty's show. Also, down below, be sure you click the links to go to Teespring so you can get some cool swag, some new shirts that represent, also some hoodies. It's getting cold.
It's some places, not here. Love you, Florida.
A little nippy around that pass there, hair.
Got a little nippy going through the past that hair.
That being said, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
Yep.
We eat bacon popcorn.
And we eat bacon popcorn.
Thank
See you guys
Candy
next
Show.
time. Bring it or bring it.
Thank Candy Show. Surprised you know that.
That'll really up the resale value.
Melted chocolate inside the dash. That really ups the resale value.
So come on, everyone, it's the day.